Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my travel experience from UK to Mumbai by Air India. So before we start with journey, there are important things to be noted. As per the new guidelines to travel from UK to India, it is mandatory to carry RT-PCR negative report, which should be handy before you board the flight, and it should not be taken before 72 hours prior to arrival. Also, web check-in is mandatory and you need to submit self-declaration form. Link I have pasted in description. Also, there are few restrictions by Air India about cabin bag. They are not allowing more than one hand baggage. Also, as per new SOP, 7 days hotel quarantine is mandatory in Mumbai. Also, airport to hotel transfer is done by best buses. So let's start the journey. We arrived at Terminal 2. It is called as Queen's Terminal and seems one of the busiest terminal in the world. Here now we are going to check in. For our flight, check-in counter is 43 to 47. We came well before time, so no long queue. As I said, they are checking RT-PCR reports and also they handed one sheet to be filled and submitted at counter. So please carry pen with you. So guys, we are done with check-in, and as I mentioned, they asked me to adjust my laptop bag into cabin bag after security check, as they are not allowing more than one handbag on flight, while ladies handbag is allowed. We are now done with security check and now heading towards boarding gate. Gate seems too far, so a lot of work is required. So guys, please stay tuned. Wanted to share about RT-PCR test. As I mentioned, it is mandatory before boarding flight. So we did lot of research, and as we got our result in time, I suggest go with express test as they provide result next day by 10 p.m. Also, they have drive-through test at different locations like Heathrow, Reading. As Reading was near to us, so we did it from Reading Center. At the center, they do test in car itself. You don't need to get down, and it was quick for us. And they charge £80 per test if you are flying out of UK. You can check website for more details. Link I have pasted in description. We are now arrived at the gate. So before boarding, they ask us to queue for temperature check. And if you got middle seat, you will get a PP kit. Finally, the boarding is started, and I'm so excited to fly back to India. Guys, plane is ready to take off. We are now above the sky. Bye bye UK. On the flight, Air India has provided one snack box and later one meal box. That's it. And also they gave us face shield and mask, which is compulsory while you on board. Before landing, they ask us to fill two forms which we need to submit on arrival. Guys, finally we landed safely and arrived at Mumbai airport. On arrival, at first they check for self-declaration form and temperature, and we headed towards immigration counter. Once done, we have collected luggage and then redirected to different counters where they ask us to book hotel. Once done, and then send us to parking area where best buses is parked to get us to hotel. I can say this was the first part of our journey, as it almost took 3 hours to reach us to hotel. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you find this as a useful, give me thumbs up. Bye bye.